Hi guys, today I will introduce you how to manage your orders. First of all, let's see how the order billing feature works. The order billing feature allows the customer to order the product by themselves through chat without having to personally respond to every message. When your customer clicks on the product or items in the persistent menu, it depends on what you have set. And when I click items, the product list will be appear here, and then they will click buy now. Your customer will be redirected to the online store, and then they choose the product option. Okay, the color yellow, the size 6, the quantity is 1, and then they click add to cart. And then they click confirm order. After that, your customer will be able to add the details such as address and attach the payment slip, but in this case I will show cash on delivery. Full name, the phone number, the address, the postcode, and then they click purchase. And there will be the order summary message sent to your customer inbox. Your customer can be view or review orders via chat by clicking on view orders. And again, the order summary will be appear here like this. And here how you can check your orders and confirm the orders. First, you log in your Kaojao account and then choose Manage Page and Auto Response System. In the page that you would like to see or orders, and then click Manage. Go to Orders menu. Choose the channels you want to see orders. To see all orders, click on All Channels. The option will be Messenger, Instagram, Online Store, Admin. I will click All Channels. The payment status is here. Unpaid, awaiting confirmation, paid, cancel, and COD. In the recent orders, it will be COD. After that, you click on the order number. The order details will be appearing to confirm payment. In case the customer is attached the payment slip, you can click on confirm payment and then click on yes. Then click on yes one again. And the order will be changed to paid. The verified badge will be shown in green. And now your customer can check the payment and the shipping status in their inbox. Or you can click on send to customer here. Now your order summaries will be sent to your customer. As you can see, the payments process will be appear at paid. That's it for manage your orders.